Hey, buddies.
Hi, hi.
What are we going to do today?
Baby Dylan. No, Baby Dylan.
Baby Dylan? Where's Baby Dylan?
At a hospital.
With who?
With Mommy.
And we're going to go get him?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You going to love him?
I'm going to bed.
And he's going to go in the bed? And you going to take care of him?
Yeah.
So today is a big day. We are picking up, let's see, it's almost 9. Picking up Baby Dylan and Mommy from the hospital. March 13th, 4:03 a.m. Baby Dylan came into this world and he made an entrance. And now we're going to go get Mommy and Baby Dylan and bring them home. Of course, there was also a blizzard the day after he was born. But, you know, that's the huge. There you go, Baby Dylan. Here's where you live. This is the snowstorm that we got the day before your birthday. So now we're gonna go get you. We're gonna go get Baby Dylan. Is that where Baby Dylan's gonna sit?
Yeah.
Let's go get Baby Dylan. You ready, Blakey?
Yeah.
You ready? You ready? You ready?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Blue.
Good morning. You remember which room it was?
Yeah.
Which one was it? Right here, right here.
It's Mommy. Mommy.
Who's that little man out there?
Say hi, Dylan. He just ate.
That's his clothes?
That's it.
So we're home.
Finally.
We're finally
Who's
home.
Here? Who's here for the first time?
Baby Dylan.
And what did you guys get Baby Dylan as a present?
A bunny.
Okay.
For him?
What else? Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Open.
I got
Show Baby Dylan what you got him.
a clothes. I got pants.
Open. Baby. Little brother.
What else? What else did we get? Did you get Baby Dylan?
I got, where is mine? I got mine.
Show them. Let me see,
Show
Lolo.
it.
It's a little shirt that says Baby
I know
Dylan.
There's another clothes.
What's that one? Let me see. Open it.
Mama got that for me.
Oh,
And where's
look at that. And now, these are the presents that Baby Dylan got you. Okay, wait, hold on. You ready?
I got
Open your shirts. Open your shirts.
I got a Nerf gun. And I got a clothes one. And I got a clothes. Just open it.
Open it. Open the clothes.
Most awesome
Look,
brother.
it doesn't want. Look, I got a shirt.
What does your shirt say?
This says let's open the one.
Oh. Super cool.
Super cool big
brother.
bro.
And I get
balloon.
Yeah, and I got another good toy. That's back. A lot of darts. And look, you do fire.
Okay, shoot it. Shoot it over there. You see?
My turn.
Oh. You like
Can
it?
you say thank you, baby Dylan?
Thank you, baby Dylan.
Made it. We're in Soho.
In Soho, it's a little chilly though.
It reminds me of my college days with my girlfriend.